Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, founder of High Ticket Affiliate Secrets. And I personally built a multiple seven-figure business using and leveraging affiliate marketing, and specifically high ticket affiliate marketing. Been able to buy my dream home, been able to buy my dream car, and also speak around the world teaching people exactly step-by-step how to start and grow their own online businesses. And today I want to give you access to a mini course, High Ticket Affiliate Secrets, that's going to show you step-by-step exactly how to pick the right niche and how to pick the right product with high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the foundational principles to ensure that you launch a highly successful high ticket affiliate marketing business. Most often I see that people pick the wrong offers. They don't set up their business in a way with the right tools so they can ensure their success. The reason why I love high ticket so much is because you have more leverage. You're able to actually make more money by working less, believe it or not. And so this business model has an insane amount of leverage. So if you're somebody that's looking to get started selling other people's products through high ticket affiliate marketing, this program, this mini course, is gonna show you not only how to build a foundation by ensuring that you pick the right niche, but ensure that you pick the right product so you can guarantee your success. So if you want access to this, all you need to do is click the link below. It'll go to a checkout page where you'll fill out your information. When you're done, you'll get an email. All you need to do is click that email. Inside of that email, you'll get access to the members area where you can get access to this mini course. Now, if you don't like it, don't worry. We got a 30-day money-back guarantee. No hassle. All you need to do is email our support and we'll give you a 100% refund. So again, if you want access to this mini course, if you want to eliminate all the overwhelm and get complete clarity inside of your online business and learn how to sell other people's products and make big commissions, $500, $1,000 plus, by doing so with less effort, I'm gonna show you exactly how to pick the right niche and how to pick the right product so you can ensure your success when you go out there and start promoting. So if you want access to this mini course, it's only $7. And the reason why I'm giving it away for $7 is because there's so much overwhelm, so much noise out there in the marketplace, and I want to ensure your success. So without further ado, click the link below and we will see you on the next page.